Alright, a lot of you may remember this old Gibson air conditioner that I had at my old house several years ago. Um, I ended up trading it to Nate. I traded it back, I guess. Um, Even though I did like this air conditioner, it was a really good air conditioner. I didn't really have a need for it right now, so I ended up giving it to him to use in his living room. So, yeah, here it is. Still works like a champ. I do kind of miss it. It was a good air conditioner, but it's getting its use now, so that's good. Not much has really changed on it. It's still pretty much the same as when I had it. I think he cleaned it up a little bit, but other than that, still works good. Give it a minute for the compressor to kick in. Still works like a tap. He's also got a GE Fashionette in his bedroom, which I'll probably show that in a minute. But yeah, we'll go to the GE real quick. Back here he has the old GE Fashionette 6000. I think I made a video on this when he first got it. This still works pretty good. Compressor hasn't kicked on yet, but we could probably change that real quick. Honestly, would not mind one of these. He has another one in the kitchen, but it's not installed. He's working on it. I guess we'll go outside and check out the outside of them. So here's the outside of the GE. Runs pretty good. Really quiet. And it definitely fits this mobile home really well. Alright, we'll go check out the Gibson. And here's the old Gibson. Still shooting. Puts out quite a bit of heat. I think he had to straighten the fins out. Still going though. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.